Have you ever pondered the pivotal role data observability plays in data engineering? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're delving into the compelling book, Data Observability for Data Engineering, penned by Michele Pinto and Sammy El Khammal. This comprehensive guide navigates the path to proactive strategies that maintain data accuracy and mend broken data pipelines. The authors highlight how data observability fosters trust and reliability within data engineering teams. The initial chapters lay the groundwork, exploring the fundamentals of data quality monitoring and introducing the concept of data observability. They unravel its significance in the realm of data engineering, guiding readers through practical techniques and methods for monitoring data pipelines effectively, with a keen eye on scalability and real-world applications. As we delve deeper, we encounter various techniques for monitoring and validating the health of data pipelines. The authors single out the essential elements and metrics necessary for ensuring data observability. They establish rules and protocols for identifying and addressing potential issues in data pipelines. The book then shifts gears to root cause analysis, providing techniques for pinpointing the origins of data pipeline failures and inefficiencies. From there, we journey into strategies for optimizing data pipelines to bolster efficiency and reliability. The cultural aspects of implementing data observability practices within organizations are not overlooked. The authors nudge readers to consider the importance of culture in introducing and changing practices within teams. For those who appreciate practicality, a data observability checklist awaits. This tool helps organizations assess their readiness and implementation of data observability practices. To bring these concepts to life, the authors explore real-life use cases and projects, illustrating the application of data observability in various scenarios. Through hands-on projects and practical examples, readers gain insights into how to effectively implement data observability, manage risks associated with data pipelines, and build trust among data producers and consumers. In essence, data observability for data engineering equips data engineers, architects, analysts, and scientists to enhance the quality and reliability of their data pipelines. It's a beacon guiding organizations to become future-ready and resilient in managing their data assets, ensuring competitiveness in the information age. To summarize, this enlightening book underscores the importance of data observability in data engineering. It dissects its fundamentals, explores techniques, identifies critical elements, and provides a checklist for implementation. Through real-world use cases, it demonstrates the practical application of these concepts. In doing so, it prepares organizations to navigate the future, ensuring trust, reliability, and competitiveness. Thanks for lending your ears. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos.